died. So this is my video of some birds. In front of me right now, got this magpie. They are very amazing looking birds. They look like a mix between, like, it's just their tall. Oh, and then a more harder. What's going on here? I don't have a wheel seat and I need a seat. Oh my god, I got so shaky. Oh, that is a magpie. Behind the tree. Hi, hello. This is like, then we got a wood pigeon. This is just by my garden. It is a lovely day to be outside for once. It's not that cold. That silhouette in that tree is a rook, and over here we've got a magpie. Again, it's the exact same one. Most of these birds, they are quite good for like anything actually. Like a few of them, they disturb different pieces of wildlife. So it is a nice sighting to be seen sometimes. And up in the trees, mostly anyone can hear them. You can hear the magpies. I'm just dribbling it up. Well, it's way that. What's that? Well, whatever that was, it didn't sound right, and I know another common sighting around. Where is it? It's crossing the path. I want it to get scared and fly away. Up there. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll be just over there. Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably be back in like a few minutes. I'll probably be back in a few minutes. Yeah, there's loads of different wildlife. Yeah, don't mind. What was just happening? Right, just talking. Some people are always fascinated with me. Well, just had to take that the wrong way. Put that ball the way I'm not meant to be going. Yes, I am on WhatsApp. I'm not going to give my number, if you think I'm cute. Cut that out of the video. That time. Yeah, there are loads of weird birds out today. I'm going to go over to see if I can film another good bird. And I'm going to be just, they said to just stay on the grass, but I said, yeah, I'll be around the grass. So, if they tell me off, it's not my fault. Did I say it? I'm staying on the grass. Woohoo! Oh, that's excuse me. I'm going to see if I can get like a herring goal or something on camera. Oh, this is like my biggest ever opportunity to get like the biggest ever bird. But yeah, you know, just like you don't have to see anything, you can just look at the ground. Yeah, it's there. It flew away. That's upsetting. Oh, it's cool on camera. Now I'm going to go in now, so bye. It's a nice day, just like it's cold. Yeah, so bye.